Witnesses say it all began with a man carrying a sword and walking along this stretch of McNichols between Brush and John R. It ended in a confrontation with police.
This guy's got a scimitar, one of those big, like, pirate swords. It had to have been 3-4 feet long.
Paul Mergentime was plowing the snow outside his business, Scaffolding Incorporated, when all of a sudden he saw a man walking along the block with a sword.
He had, like, this big sheath over his shoulder, and it was like covered up with something, and there was a police officer was driving down the street, and he kind of pulled over and started asking him some questions about it.
Turns out the sword wasn't the only weapon on the mysterious stranger. Check out these weapons police also found, including a hatchet and a knife with brass knuckles. But it was the sword, which would have looked something like this, that first caught the officer's attention.
Then I heard it started getting heated, and they're yelling back and forth. And then next thing I know, I went back to work. I come back out, and the policeman's got his gun drawn on this guy. But I heard the police telling him to put it down. It doesn't have to end this way. And
Detroit police tell Action News the man refused to comply and charged the officer with the sword. That's when the officer opened fire. The suspect was taken to a hospital. His injuries are not life-threatening. It's unclear what the suspect's intentions were with all those weapons. In Detroit, Michael Rosenfield, Channel 7 Action News.